Alright, we have some numbers of that first set from Ivy.
That's right. And over the first set, we have mentioned na hindi na masyado nagkakalayo ang atake ng UST at Adamson. 13 for UST, 11 for Adams. But look at the errors that Adamson has committed in set number 1. 11 as to compare to 6 only of UST. So that's basically giving up a lot of points, free points for UST.
And that was during the time na naka-pull away ang UST nung patapos na yung first set. So the timing of those errors really hurting Adamson in that first set. This is inside. Mela Tunay with a looping attack, no? Patas muna.
So you would thought na outside eh.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden the ball dips down. And the set number 1, Aiza Maizo is the top scorer for UST with 5 points, 4 attacks in 1 block. Ortiz with 3 points. Coming all those excellent hits.
Yeah.
Angela Binting and Sheila Pineda both with 4 points for Adamson.
Tied at 1 here in set number 2. Ortiz again with that running. Chance play.
Tunay cross court.
Nice set.
Off the block, still alive.
Nice set by Rhea to Mela Tunay. And Adamson not able to get that stop. Ayun, tumama sa kamay. Rhea for her serve. Nice short serve to Listana.
Oh, good save there from Dusaran. A net violation error called against Pao Soriano. Parang di pa makapaniwala si Pao. Sino? Ako?
Engaging in a little chit-chat with second referee Lumar Pajarillo. Parang sinatanong ni Pao, nakita mo ba? Galit pa yun, no?
Meron ba? Meron ba?
Meron ba? This one is outside. No touch from the UST block. Ito, lumayo ng maaga itong UST. 4, serving 1 here in the second set. Nice serve. Dusaran puts it up.
Maizo. Oh, the ball is still alive.
Buhay pa yan.
Ortiz, and that is Pineda returning the ball.
Sayang, no? And itong Adamson heads-up defense talaga lagi pag Adamson ang pinag-uusapan. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. That's really their strength, Ivy. You know, the defense of Adamson. And not only that, they're able to translate it into points, no? Yung mga magaganda nilang defensive stops.
Good coverage from Adamson.
Sumabit sa net yung free ball. She gets a second chance. The drop, dug up by Makatuno. And a net again, this time on Guevara. That's why this game is very, very exciting. It talagang so amazing to see these girls with their athleticism. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Regalo, kept alive by Ortiz. Maizo.
And the ball is still alive. Benting sets it up for Paat.
Eto na, USC will get a chance. Ortiz gets blocked.
Excellent block there from Mylene Paat.
Yung timing sa block, napaka-importante. That was a poor set from Rhea de Mocolangan, but Adamson still was able to adjust. Oh! Dusaran, poor reception. Itong Adamson, isa na lang ang hinahabol for serving 5 here in the second set. Oh! That's too wide. Nice serve from Zapanta. Nice set.
Benting, that's off the block. Maizo to Ortiz.
Uy, one-handed save yun from Angela. Balik ulit.
Drop shot. Ball still alive.
Regalo from Guevara.
And Ortiz finishes it up for UST. Ang tagal ng rally na yun, ha?
Yeah. And it's, look at Drea. Pinake pa niya ng konti eh. Nakala mo
Akala mo sa
iba-backset
likod,
kay, ano
right?
eh, kay Maizo. Drop from Aiza. Angela, hindi na nakabawi. Oh, this time, I spoke too soon. Angela Binting brings it down the line. Because I think she scored like 3 straight points in that
Yes,
opening set,
that's
no?
right.
After that, medyo tumahimik ang opensa ni Angela. Now she gets another point. We are tied at 6. Lastimosa gets stuffed. Good block from Guevara.
Paat with the serve.
They go back to Maizo, who pushes this out. Na itapon palabas, and with that error, itong Adamson naman ang lamang dito sa second set, 8-6. We'll be back.